A jury has ordered Alex Jones to pay the parents of a Sandy Hook school shooting victim more than $4 million. The parents wanted $150 million for the lies the conspiracy theorist repeatedly told on his show. Fox 7 Austin's Bridget Spencer has the latest on the defamation trial from downtown Austin.
A Travis County jury decided that Infowars founder Alex Jones has to pay Neil Heslin and Scarlett Lewis $4.1 million. This is in addition to $1.5 million in fines that were already secured. Their attorney, Mark Bankston, hopes to get more out of the punitive phase of the trial.
This verdict, this is merely about Scarlett and Neil's mental stress. It has nothing to do with Mr. Jones or what his business is worth. And the jury was instructed on that.
This is far less than what Bankston requested for the Sandy Hook victim's family, which was $150 million.
Today was an absolute vindication for the American legal system. We're very pleased with the verdict thus far, and we look forward to presenting the rest of the case.
The jury will decide on the punitive amount to hit Jones with after hearing from more witnesses Friday. Before the verdict came down late Thursday afternoon, there was some lingering housekeeping left over from Wednesday's courtroom drama. Thursday morning, Judge Maya Gamble held a brief hearing with both sides on those issues.
Very concerned about the records that have been disclosed.
Raynal is referring to a bombshell dropped on Wednesday when Jones's attorney accidentally emailed a Dropbox link with all of his cell phone contents to Mark Bankston and his team.
That link linked up a lot of files that shouldn't have been connected to it. What he said, I take it this was sent in error. And I responded to him and I said, it has been sent in error. Please disregard the link. I will work on preparing a new one.
Raynal argued for a mistrial, which was denied. Attorney Bankston says within 10 days after he got the cell phone records, Raynal never outlined which documents in Jones's phone were privileged or protected.
Please disregard creates no legal duty on me whatsoever.
But I'm not going to seal the entire quantity of information without knowing what's in it when the rules weren't followed properly.
Judge Gamble told Raynal that he can use Thursday to go through and mark any documents he deemed confidential.
I'm not Mr. Jones. I'm not going to try to smear him. We sure did find out that Mr. Jones was lying about having searched his own phone personally for Sandy Hook text messages.
Bankston says his ultimate goal is to send a message to all media outlets that choose to defame or lie.
There is a very, very dangerous consequence for just ignoring the rules of journalism.
Bridget Spencer, Fox 7 Austin News.